Making a doctor's appointment, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical and essential topic. What does the phrase, doctor's appointment, mean, and how you can use it in your everyday life? Whether you're scheduling a visit for a routine checkup or you need to see a specialist, understanding this phrase is key to navigating healthcare settings in English-speaking countries. Let's get started. When we talk about a doctor's appointment, we're referring to a scheduled meeting or visit with a doctor or medical professional. This can be for various reasons. From a general health checkup, discussing symptoms, getting a diagnosis, to receiving treatment for an illness. The phrase signifies that a specific time has been agreed upon between the patient and the healthcare provider. Making a doctor's appointment can seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. Here are the steps you usually need to follow. 1. Find a doctor. Depending on your needs, this could be a general practitioner, GP, or a specialist. You may need a referral from a GP to see a specialist. 2. Contact the doctor's office. This can be done over the phone, online, or in some cases, in person. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your reason for the visit. 3. Choose a date and time. The office will provide you with options based on the doctor's availability. Be ready to choose a date and time that works for you. 4. Confirm your appointment. Make sure you get a confirmation of your appointment date and time, either verbally, by email, or through a text message. To make the most out of your visit, preparation is key. Here are a few tips. Write down your symptoms. This helps you communicate more effectively with your doctor. List your medications, include any vitamins or supplements you're taking. Prepare questions. Think about what you want to ask your doctor to ensure you cover everything important to you. Bring necessary documents. This could include your ID, insurance information, and any medical records that might be relevant. We hope this video has shed some light on what a doctor's appointment entails and how you can effectively prepare for one. Remember, taking charge of your health is important, and being able to communicate with healthcare providers is a big part of that. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure about anything. Take care, and see you in our next video.